Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom.
Hi, I'm Pocahontas, and I'm in love with nature. I have come to find a Prince Charming. I'm Nico. I'm Pocahontas' friend.
All right, guys, let's jam. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, hey, Jesse. Hey, wait. Hey. Where's... Dang it, Jesse ran off with my tuba.
Don't wave with your left arm. I hate your left arm.
Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon, or ask the grinning bobcat why he grinned? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind?
Did you hear about Jonah and the whale?
Man, if only Jesse hadn't ran off with my tuba, then we could still be friends.
Could you please stop talking about your tuba?
But I love it so much.
But Jonah is in the Bible, and the Bible's more important than your stupid tuba.
I know, but I love my tuba.
You know what?
You will never get this. You will never get this. There's a man, his name is Jonah, and he likes to hang out with his friends.
Listen, I don't know how to read, but if you all move your fingers and make animal noises, I'm sure I'll get the idea. I get it now.
Oh, John Smith, that story of Jonah and the whale made me love you so much more. Can we run off into the woods together, please?
Yes, let's go, my fair Pocahontas.
Oh, yes. Come here.
Hours later.
Oh, well, this is so lovely, my dear.
Hey, Jesse, give me my tuba back. Let's go, Pocahontas.
Yes! You got your